Alam mo, being kind in a world that keeps disrespecting you, that's one of the hardest things to do. Kasi minsan, people think kindness is weakness. Na kapag hindi ka lumaban, wala kang lakas. Na kapag hindi ka sumagot, wala kang boses. But today, I want to talk to you about something deeper. What if staying kind is actually your strength? There are moments in life na you could have said something. You could have fought back. You had every right to. Pero, pinili mong manahimik. Not because wala kang masabi, but because you knew. Once you say those words, you can't take them back. And that kind of restraint, that's not weakness. That's discipline. That's emotional intelligence. Kasi hindi lahat ng laban kailangan mong patulan. Let's be real. Some people hurt you not because you deserve it, but because that's all they know. Some people, they only know how to give pain because pain is what they carry. And when you understand that, you start to see things differently. Hindi mo na siya tinitake personally. Hindi dahil okay lang ginagawa nila, but because you realize their actions say more about them more than it says about you. Pero ito yung mahirap. There comes a point where you start asking yourself, am I being kind or am I just letting people walk all over me? And you know what? That's a valid question. Because kindness without boundaries becomes self-disrespect. Hindi pwedeng lagi kang umiintindi tapos ikaw yung nauubos. Hindi pwedeng lagi kang nagpapatawad pero ikaw yung hindi pinapahalagahan. So let me say this clearly. You can be kind and still walk away. There's power in not reacting. Hindi lahat ng disrespect kailangan mong sagutin. Sometimes, the most powerful move is silence. Not the silent na natatakot ka, but the silent na secure ka. Secure ka sa sarili mo. Secure ka sa value mo. Secure ka na hindi mo kailangang patunayan kung sino ka. Kasi kapag pinatulan mo, you carry that energy with you. And eventually, ikaw rin yung napapagod. Here's the truth that not everyone is ready to hear. Not everyone who hurt you will apologize. Masakit yun. You'll question yourself, ganun na lang ba? Wala na talaga? But healing doesn't come from their apology, ha? It comes from your decision to stop waiting for it. Because the moment you tie your peace to someone else's accountability, you lose control of your own healing. Forgiveness doesn't always look loud. Hindi siya laging may confrontation. Hindi siya laging may closure talk. Sometimes, forgiveness is quiet. It's choosing not to carry hate anymore. But listen carefully. Forgiveness doesn't mean access. You can forgive someone and still decide, I will never stand in that same place again. At the end of the day, you don't stay kind because people deserve it. You stay kind because that's who you are. Because you refuse to let someone else's behavior change your character. Hindi mo hahayaan na dahil nasaktan ka, magiging katulad ka na nila. Because once you lose that, you lose yourself. So yes, after all the disrespect, after all the pain, after all the things you didn't say, you are still kind. Not because it didn't hurt, but because you chose not to let the world turn you into someone you are not. And that is strength. Stay kind, but never forget your worth. This is Direct Talk. See you on the next episode.